Hello everyone, and welcome to the Maximilianus Financial Academy. So let us start our price action analysis video. So starting from the first pair which is gold. तो gold में हम देख पा रहे हैं कि on the 4-hour time frame there is a demand zone over here from where the price has been reacting as of now. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, then we can see that price dropped in sharply and currently it is consolidating in this zone. So we are waiting कि ये price ये वाला structural high break करे, then we could look for buy opportunities on the lower time frames. Clear? If the price breaks this high, the last supply zone created over here, then we can buy from this newly created demand only if the price breaks this high. Alright, ऐसा कुछ फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा तो हम लोग बाय करेंगे. If the price continues to go down and ये वाला डिमांड भी ब्रेक कर लेती है प्राइस, then we could look for selling opportunities from this supply zone. So if यहाँ पे प्राइस ये लो को ब्रेक कर डालती है, then we could look for sell opportunities from this supply zone. Clear everyone? Yes. Then looking for any other demands. यहाँ पे नीचे तो कोई डिमांड नहीं है, कोई प्रॉपर डिमांड नहीं है, right? So we could expect the price to go down till maybe this area or even this candle. Right? These are the only two current visible demands. Going on to the next pair which is euro. Euro में प्राइस ने यहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुली एक फॉर्मेशन किया था. First was that price swept these lows and gave us a break of structure. The break of structure had order block and imbalances also. So currently यहाँ पे एक डिमांड जोन है जहाँ से प्राइस एज ऑफ नाउ रिएक्ट कर रहा है and it has been giving us a उसने हमको बुलिश यहाँ पे चेंज ऑफ फैक्टर ऑलरेडी दे दिया, राइट? So this was our buy area. This candle was our buy area and यहाँ पे हमको easily 1:1 का risk to reward trade मिल गया है. Stop check this low. Target at first target at 1:1, second target at 1:2. Yeah. So it has given us 2 RR. So now where could be the next opportunity? If the price breaks this high, then हम यहाँ पे नए डिमांड से फिर से बाय करेंगे, right? So that is the opportunity for Europe. I will update you all guys in the Telegram channel, so make sure to join the channel. Moving on to the next pair which is pound. Pound में यहाँ पे 4 घंटे की डिमांड से प्राइस रिएक्ट कर रहा है, but as of now there is no clear bullish break of structure which we saw in the euro. So we are waiting for a bullish break of structure over here and then only we can look for buys. Until then we are not ready to buy from this demand zone. Next pair is odd and it has dropped significantly. So now if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can mark out some supplies from where we could look for sell opportunities. So the first one would be the supply zone. Apart from that we could use this supply zone as well. So हमारे पास odd के लिए 2 supply zone से हम दोनों को ही use कर सकते हैं. If price approaches this supply zone, then we would look for sell opportunity, a bearish confirmation, और हम यहाँ से sell करेंगे. If ये वाला supply zone break हो जाता है तो ऊपर यहाँ पे दूसरा भी एक supply zone है जहाँ से हम sell की opportunities देख सकते हैं. Alright, so that was the analysis for the day. Thank you for watching.